Hi guys, let's make some delicious butter cookies today. In a bowl, add 4 sticks of softened butter and mix well with your hand mixer until this becomes nice and airy. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar and mix well to combine. Add 2 eggs, one at a time, and yes, I did remove that white stuff from that egg. Mix these 3 ingredients together now until all is well combined. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract or any essence of your choice. I went ahead and added some cinnamon for additional flavoring. You can add any flavor of your choice or you can simply omit that. Add 6 cups of flour. Yes guys, 6 cups of flour is all that you need, nothing more, nothing less. And using my favorite UT spatula, I'm bringing all the dry ingredients to the middle until it is well combined. Add 4 teaspoons of baking powder and mix well. At this point in time, it may become difficult using that hand mixer, but you can remove that hand mixer and use your spatula. Well, mix that and look at that, how nice and simple it is to use that spatula in there guys, because it is nice and sturdy. I separated 2 doughs and place it in cling wrap into the freezer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it was nice and manageable to roll out on my clean counter. Added some dry flour and roll it out about 3/8 of an inch. Don't worry about the cracks. All that flour will be used up. Everything will become nice and smooth. Look at that, how nice and smooth guys. And using your favorite cookie cutter, I'm using some Christmas cookie cutters there. Merry Christmas. I have Shamin kitchen, some Christmas trees and all that. And when it is all cut out, place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And this is the outcome guys. Look at that, so nice and golden brown. Let me know what would you choose to have this with, milk, tea or coffee. Thanks for watching.